I'm going to let x equal the negative number because that's what we're trying to find. Now just read the problem from left to right and write an equation. So the product, what's product mean? Multiplication. The product of some negative number, so that's x is already negative. The product of some negative number and 5 less than twice that number. So twice that number is 2x, and 5 less is minus 5, is 375. Find the number. So get rid of your parentheses, and you've got 2x squared minus 5x minus 375 equals 0. And I moved the 375 over because this is a quadratic equation, and to solve a quadratic, you need to have 0 on one side. Let's use the quadratic formula. So A is 2, B is negative 5, C is negative 375. So the quadratic formula is negative B, that's negative of a negative 5, plus or minus negative 5 squared, B squared, which would be 25, B squared minus 4AC, all over 2 times A, or 2 times 2, which is 4. So that's 5 plus or minus the square root of, this is 25 minus 4 times 2 times a negative 375, that's 3025. I use my calculator, all over 4. And then I use my calculator. The square root of 3025 is 55. So that's 5 plus or minus 55 over 4. That's 2 answers. 5 plus 55, which is 60 over 4, which is 15. But we want a negative number. So 5 minus 55, that's negative 50 over 4. And that reduces down to negative 25 over 2. So there's your answer.